Good morning, everyone. This is Dr. Shilpi Malhotra, my journey. Well, coming from a small green valley town of Dehradun to a concrete jungle of Kolkata, it was not easy for me to adjust 21 years ago. Started as an apprentice in a dental setup to running my own dental practice with latest equipments and quality treatment 20 years now. Having donned many hats, being a mother to two kids, wife and daughter-in-law to my family, core committee member to my dental association, lecturing and conducting dental camps to spread dental awareness to NGOs, schools, that is at the root level, clubs and various forums, and of course, undertaking dental education programs to keep me in sync with the ever-evolving field of dentistry. I do smile and look forward to each day to see, to learn, and to give it my best now to my city of joy, offering personalized care without waiting in the receptionist area, spreading smiles in a pain-free, long-lasting manner. Proud to be the dentist of late Rusi Modi. Thank you all for a lovely afternoon.